Okay, now let's see the formula bar. The formula bar is located directly above the grid and below the ribbon. Above the grid, now this is the grid, and now we say above above the grid right there, and below the ribbon. This is the ribbon, below the ribbon. Now this is the formula bar. All this area, when you see this fx there, this is formula bar. Okay, it displays the contents of the currently selected cell. For instance, if the currently selected cells is this one, let me select it here. It displays the content here, the formula bar. If it's this one, you're gonna see it here. All right. If it's this one 8, you're gonna see it in the formula bar. All right. That's why I say it displays the contents of the current selected cell. And whatever it is, whether it's a formula or text, whatever. Now, how do we enter data in a cell? You can type directly into the cell. Let's say I want to enter data into this cell. I'm just going to select it. Let's say I want to enter 5. I just enter 5. Click enter. I enter data in it. I type directly in the cell. I can also use the formula bar. Let's say I want to enter something here. Let's say I want to enter 8 in here. I can go here in the formula bar and type 8 in the formula bar, and it's gonna display in the cell. Let's say I had this number, right? And I wanted to correct it. I can correct it here, and I can edit, and I can do it here. I can edit it here. Let's say I had this here, 10, and I wanted to edit it. I wanted 11 instead. I can go here and delete here. I can do it in the formula bar. I can also do it in the cell directly. I can go here and erase. Let's say I want to say 9 and 9. So you can use the formula bar or directly the cell. Now, how do we enter formulas? If you want to perform calculations, well, you have to start by, let me see if I can move the chart over there. Move it over there. Okay, now you can start by you have to start by typing equal followed by the formula. Let's say I wanted to do to add this. I want to see this plus this, and I have the result. Let's say I wanted to multiply these two. I'm gonna start equal minus, no, not minus, multiply and add. All right. Now let me say this: you have to add equal. If I didn't add equal, I would do something like that. See, it's not gonna work. I'm not gonna be able to do it, right? So anytime you wanna enter formulas, equal this cell multiplied by this cell, and I have the result. All right, always equal 5. I mean the cell D6 minus this, and I have the result. All right. Now we also have the name box. The name box is located to the left of the formula bar. This is the formula bar. This is the name box. It displays the reference of the currently selected cell. All right, it's a reference here. It says C4. This one, it says B6, column B, row 6. I selected this one. It says E9, column E and row 9. If I select this, it says F3, column F and row 3. And let's go over it. Let's go down here. We have the status bar. Now the status bar at the bottom of the window, it provides useful information about the current state of your worksheet. It shows information such as zoom level. Now you see the status bar now. You have the zoom level. Now my zoom level is 148%. Let's say I wanna bring it down. See, you see my zoom level is down now at 100. Let's say I wanna bring it up a little bit. Bring it up, bring it up. All right, bring it up. I'm gonna leave it here at 160. Now, how do you do it? You just click on it and drag. Click and drag. Easy. All right, click and drag. Okay. And the status bars also shows you know, if caps lock is on, if caps lock is on, it also shows some average. Let's say I wanna, if I click over here, you can see the status bar shows me the average all of the numbers here. It also counts. It also counts the cells 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It also counts the numbers, and it also do a sum of them. If we add 880 plus 3 plus 8 plus 5 plus 15 plus 20 plus 19, we're gonna have 950. So the status bar not only provide an average of all of these numbers, a count, it counts the cells that has these on them, and also have the sum of everything. All right. I mean, you can also customize the status bar if you, by right clicking on it and selecting what information that you want on display. But we'll get into that in the future. We also have the scroll bars. This one, scroll bar. If I wanna, you know, navigate, scroll bar. All right. If your worksheet has more rows or column than can fit on the screen, Excel will display scroll bars on the right and bottom of the window. Right? We also have a scroll bar here, bottom of the window. Right? You also have it here. Now the vertical scroll bar, you can move up and down between rows, and the horizontal one moves left, left and right. The worksheet. We also have a contextual menu and right clicking. Now if I right click on here, let's say if I right click on here, let's do it again. All right, if I right click on here, you can see I have a menu here. You see, it gives you options like cut, copy and paste and insert, delete, format cells. If you don't want to go to the if you don't want to go to the ribbon, let's say I wanted to insert a new column. I can just click right there and right click on it and say insert. It insert a new column. Let's say I wanted to delete this new column. I can just right click here and delete the new column. All right. Also, let's say I wanted to move this column here and place it there. All right, I can just right click on it, and I cut, and I go there. I wanna go here and insert cut cells. So I'm saying, so I just move it from here, and I cut it here and paste it there. All right, these are, I mean, these are everything you have in the Excel interface. I can do the same thing not only for column but for also for rows. Let's say I wanted to insert a new row. I can just click on it and say insert, and it's going to insert a new row, right? Let's say I wanted to delete it now. Right click on it and delete. So I delete the all right. It also have the options if you wanna hide the column. Let's say I wanna hide column F, I can just come right there and hide it. And you're gonna see it no more. Right? These are also, let's say I wanna unhide it now. I can just come here and unhide the column. Alright. So these are everything that you can do within Excel that we that when you're trying to navigate through it, it can help you to better understand what you're doing. All right. And now lastly, because I don't want the video to be too long, to save your workbooks, you can save your workbooks by clicking save. I can just go up there and click save. Or as you already see it, if it's a new workbook, I can just do just like you do as what I can do Control S. If I do Control S, then it's gonna give me the option, to save my workbook. All right. So I don't want the video to be too long. Let's stop here, and I'll come back for the next video.